tomorrow I turn 36 or 37 or 38 or 35 or 34 or something along those lines. It'll be a forest empty. This was written a long time ago and on Post-its, so bear with me. It'll be a forest empty. It'll be a time for the crumble and fall of bark, and in the frigid silence, coldness sways into and out of each tree-made corridor. Soft, golden, and white visitors who linger. They themselves are hungry and whimpering, the audible cries of this hunger in every stance, until they find a source that bids them fair. Rippling through ponds of milk, their sallow faces turn towards the gray that hangs and haunts in those corridors, till silent tosses and quiet turns are celebrated once again. Once again, and once again, the dripping of morning walks, the tripping of crooked steps that claim eyes, will cast and mule over the night wishes. The ceremony of faith that leaves all sight bound and tied in a closet of heavy, dark, and night on every panel. This wood was cut and built and sanded to stand such weathering. There are patterns here in the make of these browns, such lateral flattering pain, up and down, a trunk of yours, a sturdy, God-made, man-made wood.